this is definitely dangerous.
How you feeling today? I'm just riding my way to wherever it takes me. Teasing my taste. Can you picture a place where there's peace and grace? I leave the blueprints on my steps you can trace.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvacroddy on top of a roof. Just want to tell you guys thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to keep up with weekly content every Thursday. Enjoy the video. Alright, crawl space time, boys. Man. Just look at this. How the heck am I getting in here? Wait. The door just comes off. System in there. Alright, let's go in there. It is cold. That's crap. You said something about like the first light switch. Talking about that. Oh yeah, there you go. Toss this right there. I'll go back out and get my bag. Actually, I guess crawl space. It's that 16 by 5. Oh, buddy. That's 16 by 5. Alright, so I actually been here for a while. About to head out. Had to even go get my knee pads. I'll turn the light off. It's actually like the third time I ever had to use my knee pads for a crawl space. I really only used it because how much space is down here. It wasn't really that much. These knee pads came over handy. Alright. Look back, make sure everything's good. Switch. No. I gotta do this door. And we call it a day. Alright, so this is actually not a crawl space. This is an attic. A special attic edition. Because it's so tough to get to this system. I'm just like, bro, I have to record this. So there's a system right there. First of all, it's a huge system. Like, look at the size of that. And then look what they had to take it up there and bring it all the way up here. Like, oh my gosh, I could just imagine how long it took for them to get that up here. But that's not my problem. My problem is how I'm gonna get over there. So I'm thinking, got a step here, bag right there, so I can reach it. But how am I gonna get over there? Oh my gosh. Can I go under? I think I'm about to go under this. So, not a good spot. Right. Oh, it's a freaking hole. What the whoa. So I don't know if you guys can see that. And that's a hole. A massive hole. I don't know if I can step on this. So I can't step on that. But I'm kind of scared. Put my whole weight on it. There we go. Yo. Yeah, this is definitely dangerous. But yeah, definitely not safety. Up to safety code. But let me get started on this so I can get out. Alright, so just finished up with this. But the thing is, I gotta go check the filter. And the filter is on the other side. How the heck am I supposed to get over there? Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to get over there? Alright, so I see a board underneath it. I could probably step on that. Oh, nope. Nah, that ain't gonna work. So, maybe I can. This is wow. This didn't work. Maybe we can go underneath this. If there's a way. Yo, what? So I'm back at the starting point. What I decided to do is I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to go underneath. Like I tried to do just now. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Now what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna try to get to that. But what I'm gonna try to do is go over there. How do you get over there? On the other side. This is it. Oh, wow. Goodness. Alright, so I got the filter in there. Oh, one over there. Now it's time to go. But all my stuff is on the other side. I forgot to bring it over. I was too busy thinking about how I'm gonna get over here. So now I'm over here on this little plank. Let's see if I can stand on it. Yeah, I can stand on it. And I have to try to get all my stuff over there. Or do I just go all the way around? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's try just moving over. I'm gonna grab my mask, but my pad. No, my kneeling pad. How can I grab that? No. Dang it. How am I gonna get that? I'm gonna try to knock it. Yes, sir. Come on. Oh yeah, baby, that's that 7'8" wingspan right there. Here's what the situation look like. Let's see. Grab this. Next we're gonna, my gosh. Next we're gonna put our foot right there. Yep, right there. I'm gonna try to go underneath this right here. Right there. Crazy attic.